Did you know that holding in a sneeze can even lead to death? Yes, 52-year-old Robert Henry from Chicago held in a sneeze during a meeting at his office out of embarrassment. Moments later, his eyes turned red, a sharp pain hit his head, and he collapsed from his chair. Doctors revealed that he had held in a sneeze, which caused a blood vessel in his eye to burst. He had to be rushed to the ICU immediately. Robert survived only because of his good luck. But is it really safe to hold in a sneeze? Tell us in the comments.